Most battles don't happen out there. They happen in here. Inside your mind, inside your routine, inside those quiet moments when no one is watching and quitting feels easier than trying again. Every one of us meets the same enemy sooner or later. Fear, doubt, responsibility, pressure, the voice that whispers, "You're not enough," and at first you bend. You feel the weight. The storm hits you with bills, expectations, mistakes, and memories you'd rather forget. You stumble, you fall. You question everything, but listen, falling is not failure. It's the moment right before the rise, because deep inside you there's a spark, a quiet strength you forget you have. The strength that asks not, "Can I do this?" but "How can I?" That question is the switch, the ignition, the beginning of momentum. Stand up even if your legs shake. Pick up your discipline like a shield. Sharpen your skill one tiny swing at a time. You don't need to win every battle today, just the next inch, just the next choice, just the next breath. Real change isn't loud, it's not dramatic. It's the repetition of small victories that no one applauds until one day they can't ignore you anymore. So rise. Try again and again and again. Because you weren't created to surrender, you were built to fight, to grow, to become. The mountain ahead isn't a warning, it's an invitation. This time you're not running from the storm. You're walking through it, sword in hand, mask on, eyes forward. The world doesn't get to decide who you become. You do. Now go win your inch today.